Have you ever felt that fear is the biggest barrier standing between you and your dreams? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful way to beat it? The secret isn't to stop being afraid, but to act anyway. The most daunting part of any journey is the beginning. So just take that first step. No matter how small, it's a victory. Feeling overwhelmed? Break your big goal into tiny, manageable actions. Instead of write a book, start with write one paragraph. Each small action builds momentum and shrinks your fear. And remember, making mistakes is not failure, it's learning. Every stumble is a lesson that makes you stronger and wiser for the next step. So stop waiting for the fear to disappear. Take action, start small, and learn as you go. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.